All right, so we are gonna have some fun in Little Tokyo. It's actually my first time here, and we're gonna take some nighttime photography with the new Sony 24-70 G Master Lens Mark II. And I've got some special guests. Turn the camera around. Oh, it's gonna be a fun video, and it's sponsored by Professional Photographers of America. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no.
Yellow?
Hey, where's that contract? The client needs it right now.
Contract? I didn't write one up.
You didn't write it? Dude, we need this gig. We need the money.
Money? You're the one spending it all.
What? They're business expenses.
So what, a pizza oven is a business expense?
Yeah?
20 gallons of almond milk?
Yeah?
These don't count as business expenses.
Okay, but what about the contract? Like, why didn't you send it?
Relax, just use the contract templates from Professional Photographers of America.
Oh, well, that's cool.
Yeah, they're a great resource to help photographers run their business. From educational online classes to hard drive recovery services, and of course, contract templates.
What else do they do?
Well, they've got equipment and camera gear insurance for up to $15,000, a $50 deductible for equipment repairs, or a $350 deductible for full replacement of equipment loss.
Oh, okay, so like, if I drop my computer, they can just give me a new one?
No, they don't make computers. Why would you think that?
Oh, they don't make computers.
Oh, and I just sent the contract to the client, so all good.
Oh, cool. Thanks, man.
You know, I was just thinking, if photographers are listening to our conversation, then they should know to sign up to PPA, and when they do, they can use the link below and get $25 off their first year membership. It's too bad no one's listening.
Okay, that was a very interesting intro by Jason. Probably one of the funniest intros ever. But yeah, we're just gonna walk around Little Tokyo. I've never been, so Jason, you got to help me out here and help me figure out some cool spots to shoot.
Yeah, let's roll.
Let's roll, let's roll. Ah, do the Jason intro! Ooh. Okay, I like that building over there. A nice, like, the uplighting looks pretty cool. And so, yeah, let's take some snaps. Let's take some snaps.
Pokemon
Ooh,
snaps?
the camera's floating.
Ooh,
It's
goodbye.
getting- Viv's holding it. Now we're shooting with the Sony Alpha 7 IV, 33 megapixel goodness over here. And let's just go through all the different focal lengths. All right, that's 24. Let's push it to 50. Nice medium shot. Very cool. Now let's go to 70. Ooh, I like it, Picasso. And because we're shooting with the Sony Alpha 7 IV, I'm gonna utilize crop mode just to get a tighter shot. So I'm shooting at 70 millimeters with the lens. So that's a 1.5 crop factor, which is 130.
Jason, get out your calculator.
It's this number over here on the screen.
Get out your calculator.
Ooh, I like it. Boom. All right, Jason, where else we're going?
Let's go check out some lanterns.
Okay, you lead the way.
Okay, all right, let's check out the lantern.
You look like those tour guides with the little flag.
All right, come with me, everyone. All right, don't get lost now. Follow the light.
Last time we all hung out together was in DC, and we were like running around in the snow and the ice. It was really, really
absolutely
fun.
put the light.
Oh, no, it's totally fine. That's log 3, so we're totally fine. Oh, by the way, go follow Jason. And also, Jason and Viv have a vlog channel. Go follow
Oh,
them.
I thought you meant like go actually follow him.
No.
I was like, okay.
I meant like follow him on YouTube.
Oh my gosh!
Feel free to cut that out.
No, I'm keeping it in. Okay, so now I'm gonna do some slow shutter speed action. I'm gonna bring down the shutter speed to 1/4 of a second, have like the cars go by, hopefully see a trail of lights and see what happens. There we go. Okay, here's some cars over here. All right. Oh, cool. Okay, now the thing with slow shutter speed photography is that you really gotta like play around with the settings and stuff like that. So let's see, let's try some different settings, shall we? I like this little low angle shot. Jason will maybe like a little step forward that way.
Should I change pose?
Oh no, I think it's great what you're doing. Okay, I like it. I like it a lot.
All right, so we are here where the lanterns are. We got some nice bokeh lights that he can do some bokeh tests on. Now, you know, I'm not forcing him to do any sort of Jason Vaughn testing, but you should do some bokeh tests. Do
Starting
some
out,
bokeh
starting
tests.
out.
You're
Show
squeezing-
your viewers some lovely, beautiful round.
So we are gonna play with this little area. There's lots of cool, interesting things. You got red lanterns. You got the fairy lights. And so I'm gonna get Jason to model for me, and we're gonna take some photos with all this goodness. Very cool. This is like senior portraits, dude. Well, Jason looks very happy in the photos, and I'm very happy with this. Is your motto, you can't go wrong with the Vong still?
Yeah. Can't go wrong with Jason Vaughn.
Let's go to the cube.
Huh? The cube?
Let's take him to the cube.
What's the cube?
Oh,
The cube.
So we can go to the cube. But do you need any cityscape?
I could, yeah.
Yeah, we can go to the cityscape and then go to the cube.
Okay.
Ooh.
And then there's a dessert place by the cityscape.
Food.
This is a little Tokyo food tour. Whatever's open is somi somi. We got some taiyaki with some ice cream. Oh gosh.
Oh, so I guess it's a travel vlog now. All right, let's go. Food tours. We are food influencers now. Food tour! Ooh, okay. So, let me, I want to get a shot of this sign. Just like a simple generic sign. Test out the sharpness of the lens. And that's a really cool sign. I dig that. All right, let's do it. Got some blue lights on top. That's kind of nice. I am not a street photographer by any means, and so I'm just literally just testing out this lens and see if it's like good and sharp and all that stuff. So, what are you guys off to next? You don't know. All right, fair enough. Can I come?
Yes.
All right.
Where we'll be going next? Into your hearts.
Do you like this all the time?
No. Only with you.
Oh, okay,
Only
good.
with you.
Yes. All right. So, for something like this, I'd use a wider lens, like a 16-35 or a 14 or even an 11. But we'll see how wide we can get with just using the 24mm focal length. So this is what it looks like. And right now, this is the 16-35. So that's what this lens looks like. And so now we're going to try it with a tighter lens. How am I going to do this? Oh, help me.
Sydney.
What?
Oh.
What?
Oh no. What would your wife think?
No. What are we filming here? This not even.
very confused.
Okay, yeah, Jason, it's no, this is what I'm.
Sydney's a family
It's,
friendly. He's a family friendly channel.
It's okay, very very cool. You all right? Oh goodness, maybe oh my.
Explain.
Show it to the screen again.
Oh my gosh, it looks so inappropriate. Oh, this is way too far. Way too far. Okay, so now we are on the rooftop of a parking garage because there's this really cool shot of the skyline right there. So yeah, we're gonna take some snaps of there. And guess what? Ooh,
I think I'm
floating
ruining it
camera.
for you, so-
All right, so I'm gonna bring down my shutter speed, increase my ISO. Not too much where it's like too grainy. Is it 24? And go to 70. And then crop mode just for kicks. Nice. Right, so this is the last shot for this evening, and we're gonna take a photo of a cube over here. A cube! All right, now Jason, I'm gonna ask your advice. What's the best angle to capture this cube?
You know, that's a good question. So, what you can probably do is, you can also come right here, kind of angle down
Yeah?
like this, and
Huh? But- Okay, so basically what you're telling me is I'll give you that and you just do it for me. That was easy. See what I did? See what I did? Dude! What? I didn't know we could do that.
Wait, I need your help because I can't reach the other ones.
Oh, really? Okay. Okay, what do we gotta do? We gotta spin it?
Spin it. Push it. Spin it.
Oh, it's very heavy.
Yep.
Oh!
Can you get the top one?
It gave me a high five.
You're the model now. Sydney's shooting now.
Oh, sick. Yeah. Oh, that's tight. He's I mean, it's not centered, but you know, he's focused, but got some cool
Whoa,
blurs.
yeah, that's the
Well, I want to see.
That's fun.
Whoa.
That's pretty fun. Anyway, that was a fun night. It was great shooting with the 24-70 G Master Lens Mark II nighttime photography featuring Jason Vaughn and Vivid Lee. So make sure to follow them on their YouTube channels. They're traveling over the world. I don't know what Jason is doing right now. He's like has his hands over here. Looks like he's about to yoink. Sony, can you send over another? Jason just took. Okay.
Bye, Sydney. I'm gonna take this too.
Oh. This is my life now.
Wait, how far did Jason come back?
It was good.